Best vegetable seeds online shopping. Non-GMO Heirloom Survival Garden 32 Variety Pack. Do you wonder why the seed variety appears on top of this list? Since quality sells itself, Survival Garden Heirloom seeds from the Open Seed Vault brand are today's best-selling option. The pack consists of 15,000 seeds that are non-hybrid, non-GMO, hence tolerance and sufficient. These all-natural seeds are tested to guarantee maximum germination and productivity. With this bulk vegetable seed pack, you can plant an acre of land or just plant in your limited space and keep the rest for future use. Survival Garden Seed Pack comes in sealable, moisture-proof, airtight bags for safer storage. Why we like it: sufficient to fit the available space. Packed in airtight sealable bags for durability. Seeds are 100% naturally grown. Features 32 varieties for a balanced diet. Survival Essentials 135 Variety Vegetable Seed. If you want an ideal vegetable seed bank that is natural for your gardening, Survival Essentials has your back. The packet not only features 135 varieties but also includes over 23,335 heirloom seeds. It means they are all natural, non-GMO, and non-hybrid. Therefore, this package has all USA best varieties, from fruits, vegetables, spices, herbs and much more. There are two special bonuses inclusive in the seed bank. Firstly, there are 9 rare tomato varieties. Another bonus is the long-term storage accessories from an agriculturist, Suzanne Ashworth, for preserving them for up to 10 years. Why we like it: seeds are tolerant with a high germination rate. Features rare tomatoes varieties as bonus. Includes storage accessory as a bonus to preserve up to 10 years. Sold with a gardening manual from experts. They are all natural heirlooms. Heirloom Futures 55 Varieties Vegetable Seed. Mode of pollination is one of the features to tell if you are dealing with natural or laboratory-produced seed. Therefore, you can trust this 55 variety seed pack from the Heirloom Futures brand as it takes open pollination. The Made in USA premium seeds are non-hybrid and non-GMO, hence suitable to all passionate gardeners. The seed banks stand the test of germination period, count, and natural quality for successful customized gardening. They come in a sealable mylar pouch with desiccant and moisture-proof to make storage stress-free. In the contemporary world, both avid and casual gardeners highly appreciate this vegetable seed variety pack as a gift. Why we like it: they are all natural USA made non-GMO and non-hybrid seeds. Includes maximum germination rate, period, and true count. Features closable desiccant mylar pouch for durability. It makes a perfect gift for all gardeners. The pack comprises 15,000 seeds with 55 different strains. 43 assorted vegetable and herb seeds by Black Duck brand. Black Duck brand prides itself as one of the best vegetable seed brands, commanding a considerable Amazon market share. With all seeds being heirloom, non-GMO, non-hybrid, you can create a deluxe garden happily. Seeds come in exemplary quality such that on planting, the germination is 100%. Since the pack features 43 assorted seeds for herbs, veggies, and perennial fruits, they are reliable. One main advantage of investing in natural heirloom seeds: you do not waste your money trying to treat diseases. Planting these vegetables in your surrounding space makes the places serene and attractive. You plant some and store the rest to wait another season. Why we like it: all natural and disease resistance. Features 43 strains for a healthy journey. Seeds are packed sealable packets for storage efficiency. They are hand-picked to guarantee quality. All vegetables and herbs produced through open pollination. Home Garden Vegetable Seed by Survival Garden Seeds. Are you a gardening enthusiast looking for reliable and quality vegetable seeds to plant in your backyard? Home Garden Vegetable Seed Vault can give you a decade resolution. These seeds are natural without any traces of GMO properties which could be harmful to your health. The manufacturer sells the seeds in waterproof packaging, hence the remaining can still be saved. All the 30 varieties are natural, quick to mature, have high germination rates, and reproduces through open pollination. Whether you want a winter vegetable seed or a summer plant, these varieties can ensure fresh green supply all year round. The packet includes common fruits and vegetables such as cucumber, carrots, melons, okra, tomatoes, and more. Why we like it: the package includes high preference vegetables and fruits. Features simple individual seed gardening and packaging. It comes with a zipped waterproof package for storage. Durability. Seeds are 100% natural, with no hybrids or GMO. 20 favorite vegetable seeds pack by MadayFormula. Most people consume vegetables every day. Therefore, there is a need to monitor the vegetables we eat. With food-related diseases and cancers rising globally, avoiding GMO and hybrid produce is a tremendous step towards liberation. These vegetable seed packets by MadayFormula are tested and approved as food-safe varieties to plant. Gardening versatility makes this as vegetable seeds a good option for outdoor and indoor planting. The 20 different varieties come in a total of precisely 1,500 seeds. Further, they include a growing guide and individual resaleable zip for long-term storage. The USA-grown seeds have around 95% germination rate and make a perfect gift for amateur or experienced gardeners. Why we like it: 95% germination rate, hence reliable despite their quality. They retail at a reasonable price. Sourced in the USA and tested to be natural, safe seeds grows healthy whether outdoors or indoors. The package features 20 different popular vegetables. Sow right seeds, herb garden seed collection. Depending on the vegetable variety your available space can accommodate, it is recommendable to purchase just enough. Sow Right Seeds brand avails these quality seeds in 5 individual packets. Buyers enjoy the benefit of reduced prices. After all, why pay more and get vegetable types that will never fit your garden? When grown on your patio, beds, or backyard, they colors and beautify the vicinity. However, if your space is limited, planting the seeds on the balcony or in your kitchen makes them more convenient to reach. The manufacturer includes directives for growing them faster and healthy. As the best vegetable seed, purity is high, and no alteration to the genetic composition. Why we like it: natural and harmless. No hybrid grows both indoors or outdoors. Features 5 individual packages, hence affordable, inclusive of user directives for faster growing. 50 packs Assorted Heirloom Vegetable Seeds by Black Duck brand. Surprisingly, the Black Duck brand is the most frequent manufacturer in the vegetable seeds production sector. The several appearances here show their significant contribution to the economy. Having over 20 different seed assortments growing in your backyard, you can be sure to have a constant supply of vegetables all year around. The seeds have high germination rates, that is, within 7 to 14 days. Another essential benefit about the seeds: they are heirloom, non-GMO. Due to their hand-picked and careful production nature, their performance is impressive. Procrastination is like a reverse gear. Grind forward by purchasing the best vegetable seed today. Why we like it: their price is consumer-friendly. Having over 20 assorted varieties promises a balanced diet. Seeds have a perfect germination rate. The package comprises 50 assorted seed packs. 11 varieties of non-GMO heirloom vegetable seeds by Nature's Edge. Trusting Nature's Edge non-GMO heirloom seeds is a great decision and a journey you will never regret. The brands produce the best organic vegetable seed, rare to get in the industry. If you wish to gift your family member or just acquaintance, this is the right choice. Fortunately, with 11 different vegetable seed varieties, your food will always have the nutrition content you want. To make planting effortless, the manufacturer includes a detailed manual guiding you. It's therefore easy to tell which style fits what type. Some seeds can work on indoor pots. Others need a lot of sunlight and therefore are ideal outdoors. Why we like it: seeds retail at the most reasonable cost. 11 varieties ensure more alternatives to plant many types of veggies. Guarantee a balanced diet, ideal for gifting a family on Father's Day, or as a flavor gift. Faster and high germination rate. 100 assorted heirloom vegetable seeds by Valley Greene. Look here. Do not judge the seed pack's quality based on its position in this list, as collection reviews only top grades. First things first, Valley Greene is the new seller on Amazon's marketplace recently. The brand's success is purely courtesy of guaranteeing they produce a high-yield, non-GMO and non-hybrid seeds. Ordering the Valley Greene package, you receive a collection of 30 different heirloom seeds that are individually packed. All bulk vegetable seed packets feature a fantastic germination rate not exceeding 7 to 14 days. By buying these 100 assorted seed packets, you get the value of your money and store the remainder for future use. Why we like it: you can store excess to plant in the future. Each packet contains non-genetically engineered seeds. Features 30 different heirloom varieties. Has germination rate not exceeding 14 days. Survival vegetable seed for your garden. Family sown name is gaining traction in households globally despite the brand being new in the industry. Through consumer reviews, success stories can tell that these 100% heirloom seeds are indeed top quality. They comprise 34 packets of assorted vegetable seeds varieties, plus 5 herbs, totaling 39 individual pieces. Germination and productivity is not a limitation in survival seeds because the producer selects them from high-yield grade. The seeds are 100% non-GMO, 100% heirloom, and above all, they feature a 100% satisfaction guarantee to back up your purchase confidence. Why we like it: the package includes 5 free different herb varieties. Producer sells in resealable bags to store excess safely. The USA brand offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. All seeds organic, natural and non-GMO. Want a good and economical vegetable gardening seed? Heirloom Home Bank from Isa Oat is a complete package with a 13,400 seed count. Moreover, the box has 33 different kinds of vegetables and fruit. Literally, the manufacturer concentrates on achieving the fastest growing, delicious, and healthiest non-genetically modified species. These seeds are sufficient to plant a whole acre piece of land. However, you can store and grow the remaining in the subsequent seasons. The manufacturer includes unique food-safe packets that allow proper air circulation while in store. Even if you store them for a maximum of 10 years, the germination rate will never disappoint. Why we like it: fresh seeds are pure with a 99.9% germination rate. PP Survival Seed Pack can retain quality for a decade. The brand combines the healthiest and fast-growing varieties, includes food-safe breathable storage bags. Last one is 30,000 premium pollinated vegetable seed. If quality and quantity is your main factor when choosing vegetable seeds, get this package from Heirloom Seed Garden. It's unimaginable how 30,000 seeds can change your entire gardening journey. Gardeners with sufficient land are lucky because their production can go to another level. Figure out planting several acres, and the yield is maximum? Your hobby gardening automatically turns into a cash cow. Like most vegetable seeds in the market, this package comprises non-GMO open pollinated varieties. Growing heirloom seeds are never rocket science, whether you are a beginner or advanced gardener. The package comes sealed from the company to ensure perfect freshness and quality. After planting sufficient vegetable gardening seed, you can store the rest for subsequent seasons in the available space. Why we like it: well sealed to preserve quality and durability. Recommended for beginners and advanced gardeners alike. 30,000 is sufficient for gardening multiple seasons, affordable and comes